4:50 in the morning. Get my fucking cardio in, bitch. What are you doing at 4:50 in the morning? Probably ain't running, is it? Yeah, that's what I thought. Motivation, motherfucker. Get up and get it. So I got a fun little trick. If there are people that won't get out of your way during the day, just drive with your brights on during the day. Like if you got express lanes and shit, just drive with your brights on. Right during the day, in the morning, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, people fucking hate it. It's hilarious as fuck. So anyways, they'll definitely start going faster. That's what I've been doing today, boy. I found a bad compressor on a 24-year-old, what is it? Carrier AC 5-ton. Sorry, I'm retarded. So we're gonna get over there. We're gonna put a new one in. The compressor was 6 weeks out. The compressor was $1,300 my cost, and you're doing it a little over 2. So not too bad. But let's get over here. And I got lucky. It's a 2001 unit with 410As. Yeah, bitch. Don't have to do nothing. Swap the condenser, let it ride. All right, let's do it. Oh, it's got to start the day right. That starts. I'm unhealthy, but healthy. Yeah. So this guy's coming out of here. He's coming out. Alright, meow. So, lock down the valves, recover what's in there, and cut it out. Wire it back in. Ta-da! Alright. Gotta lock down these here valves. Oh, I even got 2 valves in case you wanted to change the dryer. That's kind of nice. It's kind of nice right there. Shit out of there. Get some wolves and shit out of here. That's what we'll do. Some of this whole shit. No matter where I go. I lost my little bit. So I have to go grab my nailing keys, make it easy. Actually, probably don't even need them. Oh, that's nice, very loose. Hey, I don't really need to lock down that other valve. Save these caps, they always come in handy. Oh, baby, baby, sweet. So I don't even need my fucking alien keys. That's so good. Lock them down. And we can recover from that one. Actually works out really nice. I like that. Kinda fucking like that. No matter where we go, listen to this music. I hate these long ass valves. Actually, I love them. Turn them more positive. I love these valves. It's nice. High pressure refrigerant. Operating pressures may exceed limits of R22 service equipment. Boy, thanks for that. Never known that stuff. Let's make sure our disconnect is working. Alright, sweet. That's easy, so I just go boom. This way you get some fresh wire on there too. That guy out of there. Yeah. ZP54. The replacement was like a ZP51, some ZXE, something weird. Oh, weird. Low voltage, easy peasy. Hold on, let's do this. Maybe. No matter where we go, we listen to this music all around the world. See ya. See ya. Alright, and the contactor wasn't pulled in, so we know we don't have no 24 volts. Don't short your 24 volts. That's an easy way to do that. So, just get out of the way over here. That's all good. Alright, let me get my recovery set up. Put a power inverter in my van. Bam. I can run my vacuum pump. I can run my fucking recovery off of it. Yeah, pretty gangster. Alright, easy peasy, recovered, cut out. You gotta like when this happens. Ready? Oh, what's up, boy? That shit was badass. Hell yeah. Yeah, I dig that. That's some good shit. What is this? We know use blue. So take it easy. See ya. Just throw all my garbages inside the old unit. Alright, since we're disconnected now, and shabamga, and she-bamgas, a little bit of a she-bamga. Ta-da. Save your nut, dude. Always make sure you save your nut, bud. SaveANut.com, bud. Come on. 2. Probably don't need that much. Probably really don't need that much. Perfect. Okay. Oh, that guy's on. Alright. God, I love that fucking thing, dude. It's so nice. Well, nah. Nut. Alright. Now I just gotta get the rocks out from underneath it. Let me do that. Alright, this is where we're at. I always like to do the copper first, then the electrical. This way while it's on nitro and vacuum. That's just how I do it. So I think I'm gonna take it about right there. I do like this thing though. This is nice. Just doesn't cut 3/8. That's the problem. I've never had this thing cut 3/8 ever. It says it does, but I've tried it and it doesn't work. So just reuse that piece. We'll see. Alright, let me get this piped in real quick. It's not gonna follow it, but compared to that was pretty good. So anyways, get this bad boy brazed in. Make sure you tighten all your electrical connections, check the caps, check all those wires. Don't trust the factory. So got the hot block. Gotta get this brazed up and rock and roll. Just make sure that you check your welds. Make sure you do a little checkers. Yeah, looks good to me, boy. Alright, let's get some nitrogen. Nitrogen. Don't ever shut your torches off until you're all the way done. It's an omen. Alright. Now, we need to get the nitrogen. Nitrogen. Alright. Boom. Let me get my gauges set up here. These new hoses are nice. Are $50. But man, those are sick. Sweet. It's probably good enough. I don't think I need anything too crazy in here. I don't need anything too crazy. Let that settle. Here I am, here I go, on my own, on the road. 96.7 B. 96. I don't have no leaks. I know I don't have no leaks. No leak D. That's what they call me. Call me No Leak D. Alright. Get it on the old vacuum pumpers. See if we have an outlet anywhere. Highly doubtful, but we got the inverter. Power inverter. Okay. It doesn't want to work today. That's interesting. Yeah, I gotta start the fucking van. Gosh darn it. Now it should work. Yep. Isn't that cool? I'm so tired of not having fucking power, dude. I was so tired of it. I'm like, I'm putting a badass power inverter in here. I don't know what the fuck this thing is. Can't remember. Put it in a while ago. With all my speakers and shit. My speakers and shit. Anyways, that works great. So that works fucking great. Ta-da! Probably should hook up our hose, right? Probably. That would probably help. Hey! Alright, let me let this run. Alright. So we're all good. I said reuse the other whip, works for me. So, I got a walk-in freezer, dripping water. So, about an hour and a half away. I got a boogie. Heater's working. Where are we dripping? We got a hole in this motherfucker? We got something. Something going on here. Let me see what's up. It's crazy. I even poured water down this thing. It's coming from up here. Wow. No shit. Unbelievable. You know, try to tighten it up. See what happens. Yeah, anyways, let's see. Get some hot water. Some hot water in there. See if we got it. I think we got it. I don't know how that fitting got loose. It's fucking crazy. But, no, it's still fucking dripping, aren't you? Maybe. Still dripping a little bit. Let me see. So that one was pretty smooth. I knocked that shit out in like an hour and a half. That was easy. I can't charge it today. It's like 40 degrees. So I just released the charge. Come back Monday, Tuesday next week when it's fucking like at least 65 out, where I can actually maybe dial it in a little bit. Maybe wait till it's like 70. I like 75 at least. But we'll see what happens. And then that drain line, it's crazy. I tightened the fuck out of that fitting. And I even poured water down that fucking walk-in freezer install. I make sure I do it every time. Matter of fact, I even have on video me tightening that fitting and saying, don't forget to tighten that fitting, and that shit was loose as fuck. So yeah, that's weird. I don't know, life's crazy. So no matter how thorough you are, like I could literally pull back on video and watch myself tighten that shit, but it doesn't matter. So anyways, I'm gonna drink my beer and get on with my motherfucking day. I think that's about it for me. 2-3 calls, that's it. Have a good day.